What's going on, everybody? Thanks for stopping by the channel. I know it's been a minute, but I've had a whole bunch of personal shit going on. But everything's kind of smoothing out and straightening out slowly but surely. As you can see, we still have the 9th gen and the truck and the boat and the Mustangs in the garage. The other 9th gen's also in the garage. And it'll be back out. But as you can see behind me, we have a 2014 Scion TC. It's like a special edition one. I think it's called a release series 10. Yeah, sorry, the owner doesn't want to be on camera because he's scared. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead, and he got his first little mod for it, so we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing of it, see what it is, install it, and go from there. So this is it. It's actually a really clean car. It's like immaculate. There's not a mark anywhere on it. Interior, everything. It's got like all the paperwork on it and everything. It's actually pretty clean. Can't lie. Let's see what he got. I don't want to drill holes.
It's not supposed to be drilled.
Mm-hmm.
Well, no, because that's not what I ordered. I ordered.
Look.
I'm assuming everything's in that fucking place. It's supposed to be anyway. We didn't even use tools to open the last one. The fuck is there a scratch? Yeah, seriously. It's not food, silly. Put fucking screws in there.
Yeah, it's either way. Let's see that.
We just have to buy the fucking pads up and we
Look up side stick tape. We're gonna have to sand this little lip down there here too.
Alright, so you guys saw when we started this video, we started doing an unboxing of one of these little trunk spoilers, and then we cut the video. The reason for it is that one you had to drill holes, and in order to mount it, you couldn't just throw some double-sided 3M tape on it. That's what he wanted to do. So this one that you now see behind me, we are just gonna go get some good 3M double-sided stick tape, put it on there, clean the surfaces up, and you guys will see what it looks like. It should be a really quick and easy install, so stick around, see you in a second. So here it is. This one seems to be like shorter, but fatter. So it should look pretty nice. We're gonna go run up to the parts store really quick and grab some double-sided stick tape and go from there. And look at Ashley and I's little couple-day project. And yeah, came out pretty cool. That's one, and then we got another one up there. So yeah. All right, so damn, the sun's bright. Before we put the wing on, we're actually gonna go ahead and sand down the bottom of it where the paint is, so that way the tape sticks to it and adheres to it properly. But we're gonna go ahead and give you a little pre-example shot of what it looks like. All right, so we marked where it'll rest. We sanded down the bottom side of it, scuffed it up, cleaned it with some alcohol. Now we're gonna go stick some double-sided stick tape on it.
That's a good way you can figure it out.
Prime example of what it'll look like real quick. Ooh-wee. All right. Now it's on there, and damn, that actually makes a world of a difference. It looks so much cleaner.
Ooh.